First, we got to talk about everything that's been happening. I know you said we had some action in Atlantic.
Yes, the tropics are just really ramping up. Generally, September is a pretty busy month, and we already have our 7th named storm of the season after a really slow start in June and July. Tropical storm Gaston is now in the northern Atlantic. Meanwhile, Fiona, the strongest storm of the season so far, a Category 4, continues to move to the north. 3 other areas of interest also in play. About 90% chance of development now for an area just to the north of South America that eventually does move through the Caribbean into portions of the Gulf. That's what I'll be watching come mid to late next week. You'll probably see quite a bit of talk about this on social media. Make sure to get your information from a reliable source. WFAA Weather right here. We've got you covered if anything changes. Every line here, we like to call this a spaghetti plot, by the way. It kind of looks like a bowl of noodles. Every line here indicates a different model output and a different model track here. A lot of it really has a general consensus that it is moving through the Caribbean. Meanwhile, here closer to home, record heat is what we're dealing with. Fair Park, temperature of 88 degrees under a blue sky. Whenever we have a lot of sunshine and a lot of heat and a lot of pollution, we have expected air quality lowered for the afternoon. That's why we have an ozone action day. Right now we're at 89 degrees, feeling like 92. Dew points are in the upper 60s, meaning it is muggy out there, and it stays that way this afternoon. High temperature near 99 degrees, winds out of the south anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour with sunshine all afternoon. That sunshine, it's not going anywhere. High near 97 for Denton, McKinney, 95 in Decatur, 96 in Granbury, and in Waxahachie, about 96 in Terrell. Overall, trending about 10 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year. And that holds true through Saturday. High temperature into the upper 90s. Record is 99. That was set in 2005, both Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. We get either really close to it or right at that record. So we'll be watching that. 95 degrees on Sunday, and then that front comes in that we've been talking about. So that area of high pressure eventually scoots off to the west. We're going to see an area of low pressure help drop a cold front through the area. This is what brings us our relief from our 3rd, 4th, 5th summer that we've had so far this year. 95 on Sunday, 87 degrees on Monday. Not only will we feel that temperature drop, but we're actually also going to feel a lowered humidity, and that's what's going to make it a bit more comfortable for us, especially in the afternoon hours. Temperatures are going to, however, be in the upper 90s for the next several days. Morning lows will be in the 70s. That's pretty warm for late September as well. Now on Sunday, we're going to notice that wind shift, especially in the afternoon evening time frame. Temperature still makes it to 95 degrees on Sunday. That front then moves in late in the day into Monday, and that is when we will notice the change. Temperatures will be in the 80s come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Morning lows in the 60s. It'll be a bit more comfortable to be outside. And then on Friday, State Fair coming back to town, 88 degrees is what it's looking like with a dry weekend for opening weekend to Shara.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.